Greetings and saludos desde la Ciudad de Mexico. Greetings from Mexico City, Mexico's capital, where I just arrived and I just checked into the Umbral, which is a Curio Collection by Hilton hotel that just opened in 2019. So it's just a few months old, but it's a beautiful hotel located in a historic building in the historic city center. So I'm starting here with the roof, because the rooftop view is gorgeous. You can see the cathedral is just a couple blocks away. You can also see over here the Torre Latinoamericana, which when it opened in the 50s, it was the tallest building in Latin America, actually. But the rooftop deck here at this hotel is really beautiful. You can hear the loungy music. You have a nice little pool here with really nice warm water because it's winter here right now in Mexico City. But as you can see, it's still beautiful, but you do need heated water. There's a bar up here, a restaurant. The hotel is set in a building that was built in 1924 in the historic center, and it has 59 rooms and kind of a combination of chic and minimalist style, but very comfortable, and of course with historic touches and lots of decor and original artwork, all from Mexico. So I'm going to show you around the property, around my room, and I hope to be getting into this pool at some point because it looks so inviting, and it's another beautiful day here in Mexico City. I always love the climate here, so this seems like a perfect place to relax. As you can see, the lobby is quite impressive. The entryway has these high ceilings, and then there is a central atrium with glass floors above so that it lets a lot of natural light in. But you have to see this central staircase, which is absolutely gorgeous. If you can see it through the reflection in the glass. That staircase is beautiful, and it connects all of the floors, which is one of the many historic touches that makes this hotel really special. Also, just off of the lobby, you walk in from this beautiful lobby entrance area, and you're in a contemporary art gallery. So this is kind of has in the industrial cool feel, and apparently they have rotating exhibits of artwork here. This exhibit is new photographs. It's the most recent series of photographs by the artist Zach Hyman. I'm reading this, as you might be able to tell. Anyway, so it's great to have a hotel that's dedicated to creativity and has original artwork on permanent display throughout the property, but then also has this art gallery right on site that exhibits rotating works of art by various artists. So you can spend a lot of time right on the property here, although you are right downtown, so there's lots to do just within a few blocks also. And now we're in my guest room at the Umbral. And one of the things I love about older hotels and older buildings like this, double doors, look at this. You can open both of them, which makes it much easier if you have a lot of luggage when you're arriving too. So when you walk into here, you have this nice entry area. And again, this is kind of minimalist, it's very modern, but it's also very traditional because it's a 1924 building. They preserved a lot of the original elements. Super high ceilings. You get this area where you can hang your clothes and the mini bar with a high-class coffee machine. I don't drink coffee. Another thing I like is the curtains. Look at these dramatic curtains. This is where the bedroom is. So you open this and you're here. And nice king-size bed. They've left me some champagne, so I can't complain about the service here. Now, this is one thing I like too. Up here on the wall, this is one example of every room has its own unique artwork there. So this is a piece of art that's made from an old map of Mexico. So you can learn some geography while also appreciating artwork. This is a very modern hotel, very traditional and modern at the same time. So you have all the modern elements, and you also have the high ceilings, high windows. There's actually no view in this particular room. Some of these rooms in this hotel have a view. This one doesn't, because as is typical with a lot of buildings in historic downtown Mexico City and other historic downtowns in other cities, there are interior courtyard facing rooms. So you still have the big windows, light can still enter, but you're not having the view. But they do have that option if you want that. I want to show you what I love about the bathroom here. Again, there's double doors, so a very elegant way to get in and out of the bathroom. And then when you come in, this is a very modern and stylish bathroom. I love the sink, which incorporates wood and whatever kind of material this is on the counter. But look at this shower. Not only is it big, extending across the entire side of the room, but it's raised on steps. So this almost feels like you could take a seat and just watch someone put on a show here. They should have like scenes from Chicago being acted out here or something. So I love this bathroom with the high ceilings and the giant shower and the excellent amenities. There's a lot to love about this hotel, especially if you're looking for a reasonably priced hotel that's right in the heart of Mexico's historic downtown. It's walking distance to the Zocalo, the biggest city square. It's walking distance to the cathedral, to the Torre Latinoamericana, to all the things that you people love about touring downtown Mexico City. They have it here. This property also has the art gallery. It has the amazing rooftop deck with a little nicely heated pool. It has a restaurant on the roof. It has its own little mini cinema room, which you can use as a meeting room, and a library. And if you stay in a suite, they actually furnish your room with a record player. If not, you can go to the little lounge area, the library, and play on the record player there too. So there's a lot to do here right on the property, but of course, when you're right in the middle of downtown Mexico City, you want to take advantage of that too and get out and walk around and see this amazing city.